In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drop-down menus for days and times in Google Sheets, a handy feature for organizing schedules, tracking activities, or just making data entry more efficient. Let's start with creating a drop-down menu for days. Begin by making a decision on which cells in your Google Sheets will host the drop-down menu. For instance, you might choose column A for this purpose. Once that's decided, move to a separate area within your existing sheet, or even better, to a separate tab, and list out all the days of the week that you want users to select from, such as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so forth. Now it's time to select the range of cells where you want the drop-down menu to appear. For example, you might select from A2 through A100 if you're looking to apply this to an entire column. With that range selected, navigate to the Data menu and click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation window, you'll see a section labeled Criteria. Here, choose the option that says Drop Down from Range, then go ahead and select the list of days you created earlier. You'll also have a setting where you can decide how to handle entries not found in your list. You can choose to show a warning message, or you can set it to reject any invalid entries outright. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Done. If you've followed these steps correctly, your designated cells will now feature a small drop-down arrow, enabling users to select days only from your predefined list. Next, we'll move on to creating drop-down menus for times. First, decide which range of cells will hold the times. Let's say you choose column B for this task. On a separate list, which could be on a hidden sheet or simply off to the side, create the times you want available in the drop-down. You might include times like 8 o'clock a.m., 8:30 a.m., 9 o'clock a.m., 9:30 a.m., and so on. You can either write these times manually or use a formula to generate intervals for you. Make sure this list is formatted correctly. Head over to Format, then Number, and select Time to ensure all entries are in the proper time format. Select the range of cells where the time drop-down should appear, such as B2 through B100. Again, go to the Data menu, click on Data Validation, and within the Criteria section, choose Drop-Down from Range, and select your list of times. If you prefer, there's an alternative method using List of Items, where you paste each time separated by a comma, though this can get cumbersome if you're dealing with a lot of options. After setting everything to your liking, click Done. The selected cells will now display drop-down menus of time options, making it easier to enter time data accurately. And there you have it. Simple drop-downs for both days and times, making data entry a breeze in Google Sheets. Feel free to explore and customize further to best suit your needs.